Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a simple eyebrow tutorial using only 5 products. So today I'll be using this dual lash glue, my concealer, and this is Wet n Wild brush. I need a pencil and a spoolie to comb those here into place. Eyebrows off by gluing the hair in place. My hair upwards. And I'm going to outline underneath my brows. And I'm going to lightly fill them in. And I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite side. I'm now going to use my spoolie and brush this out so that it can look natural. So after I've completed filling up my brows, I'm now going to use my Wet n Wild concealer. I'm going to link it down below, and also this brush to outline my brows. What I like to do is to outline my brows from where the arch is, and I'm going to use the tip of my brush to straighten that line, just to make it very neat. Tell me what you want after this club. You're going to take your time and use both the side and the tip of your brush to just clean up and sharpen your brows so that you can meet that arch. And you're just going to take your little time and just draw the line as straight as possible so you can have your brows as sharp and neat. I'm now going to use my Real Techniques setting brush to just blend that concealer into my skin. I went ahead and outlined my brows off camera, and this is how you achieve a beginner-friendly eyebrow tutorial. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to your girl Sheka's channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Goodbye.